Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to trim and style your beard at home using just a trimmer, achieving a professional barbershop style look. This is my first long video for YouTube, so I am really excited to share this tutorial with you. I'm going to use the popular Philips Multigroom trimmer, but you can apply these steps to any trimmer you have at hand. So let's get started. Okay, so first we will start by adding the beard on the cheeks without a nozzle. To make sure it's even, you can use a comb or roller as a guide. Next, attach a 7mm nozzle to the trimmer to shorten the beard length. This will be our starting point for creating a stylish beard. Now we need to switch the trimmer head to use a larger attachments. Put 9mm nozzle and continue trimming the cheeks, creating a smooth transition from 7mm to 9mm for a more natural look. Now attach a 16mm nozzle and trim the rest of the beard, making sure it's even and well groomed. Switch back to the 9mm nozzle and trim your mustache with an upward motion, going against the hair growth. Now attach a 12mm nozzle and trim the hair on your chin, giving it a nice shape. Then go back to the 7mm nozzle and trim your mustache once more to ensure it's perfectly groomed. Next step is to make transition on the cheeks. For this purpose, we attach the 3mm nozzle and refine the transition. Switch to a 2mm nozzle and continue creating a smooth transition on the cheeks. Now remove the nozzle and trim your mustache so that the hair don't fall over your lips. Attach a thinner nozzle and carefully define the contour under your lower lip. Switch back to the standard nozzle and remove some hair under your nose. Now create a sharp contour on the sides of your cheekbones using the trimmer without a nozzle. Then, using a comb or a ruler as a guide, create a straight line under your chin with the trimmer. Repeat the same on the other side. Gently connect the two contours in the middle of your chin. For a finishing touch and for even better results, use a straight razor to achieve clean and precise lines on the sides of your cheeks and cheekbones. if you are interested in getting the same trimmer I used in this video, check the description below for Amazon and Tokopedia links. Also, don't forget to follow me on other social media accounts, you'll find the links in the description as well. And that's it! Your perfect, stylish and well-groomed beard is ready, looking just like you've stepped out of a professional barbershop.
Wow!
Now guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, please support me by giving this video a like, leaving a comment and subscribing to my channel. This is my first long video and your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and happy grooming!